Hello everyone, welcome back to your class 1 EVS offline class. Your chapter 15th chapter, means of transport. This part we already started and we completed the text part also in offline videos. Hope you all saw the videos about the means of transport and you all read the chapter attentively. If you have any kinds of problem, you let me know on your online class, and please everyone follow the offline videos thoroughly. So today we will start the question time, the exercise part of this chapter, because as we completed in this offline videos, we can get online videos, so that's why we completed this chapter, and we will start this exercise part today in this offline video again. So let's start. Take your copy book with you everyone, and you have to write the answer of this question part, right? So let's start with question A. Tick the correct answer. You can see here are some statements with 3 options. You know you have to choose the correct one. So first question is, which means of transport cannot be seen in a city? I am writing here the question, and you have to write every answer in your copy book. Every day I told it these things. So which means of transport cannot be seen in a city? Cannot be seen in a city. So first is bike, second option train, and third option Tonga. Tonga, these things we cannot see regularly, or we cannot see further in a city, but bike and train we can see it, right? So Tonga is the correct option. So option C, Tonga. That is correct. Okay. Next is the question number 2. Which means of transport flies in the sky? I make a column, row and column in the previous class. Hope you all copy this from the board, that land transport, sky transport and water transport, and I gave some examples of those transport, right? Hope you all copy this and you can check this, that which means of transport flies in the sky. That's about sky transport. So first option is bike. Bike is not sky transport, right? It is, we can see on land, on road. Second one is aeroplane. Yes, this one we can see in the sky. Third one is bicycle. Bicycle also move on the road. So you already find the answer, that is option B, aeroplane. Aeroplane is the correct answer of sky transport. Okay, and next is question number 3. Which means of transport moves on water? And you can remember that's about water transport. So option A, ship, option B, helicopter, option C, scooter. Scooter we can see on land, helicopter we can see in the sky, but ship we can see on water. So option A, ship is the correct answer. That is, the transport moves on water. Okay, so here we completed the question A. I'm repeat the answer. Which means to transport cannot be seen in a city, that is Tonga. Which means of transport flies in the sky, that is aeroplane. And which means of transport moves on water, that is ship. You can copy those answer in this from the board. Okay. Next. Okay everyone, so we completed the question A and we will start now the question B. Here you can see at the next page, at page number 81, that unscramble words here already given and you have to arrange those words. Okay, so I am now erasing this question A. Go to the question B. Here some unscramble word. The first one is RCA. So you have to rearrange it. So if we rearrange this unscramble word, we can find that is car. C-A-R. Car. Right? Second one is T-A-U-O. And if we arrange, that will be auto. A-U-T-O. Auto. Third one is A-I-T-R-N. And it will be train. T-R-A-I-N. Train. Fourth one is, that's little long, E-B-C-L-I-C-Y. That is bicycle. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E. Bicycle. And the next question number 5, bus. B-U-S. Bus. And question 6, that is T-B-A-O, and that is boat. B-O-A-T. Boat. So here we completed the question B. First question 1 car, 2 auto, 3 train, 4 bicycle, 5 bus and 6 boat. So you have to copy this from the board and I am now erasing it. So first we can go the doing time. Here you can see we completed the question time and here is your doing time. So let's see what is it. Question A, find and encircle the names of 8 means of transport in the given word search. Here some words which you have to find the name of transport from those word box. From this word box you have to find it and you have to find the 8 name. 8 name. One has been done for you. You can see that is sheep. Sheep, that's already done for you. And here by searching we can find some words. I am giving you hint that with the name of those transport and you can find those name. So a sheep which is already given here and we can find their car, boat, train, and helicopter, here is the 5, and rocket, 6, tractor, 7, and the last one is rickshaw. I am giving those words which I already found. So as I am giving those words, you have easy to find those words from this word box. So you can copy the answer: ship, car, boat, train, helicopter, rocket, tractor and rickshaw. Now find those answer, find the name of those transport from your book from this word box and encircle with your pencil. Okay. Now go to the question number B, that write the number of wheels in each of these vehicles. Here you can see some pictures of vehicles already given here, and there are no wheels in this picture. So because you have to write the number of wheels in this picture. So first one is a bus, and this bus is too long, so bus have 6 wheels. Next, bicycle. Bicycle has 2 wheels. And a tractor, if that is a big tractor, that will be 10 wheels approximately, because there are many sizes of tractors, so which you can see in front of you or in your neighborhood on the road, that number of wheels you can mention here. Okay. So you can notice those wheels of those vehicles, and then you can put the numbers of this box. Okay, so today we completed this question time of your chapter 15 chapter, means of transport. Hope you all seeing the video now, and the next day we will start your next chapter. Okay, so that's all for today everyone. Have a nice day and bye.